Hello, Miss Joyce here. We are going to do an experiment. Are you ready? So, I have my little bottle. And then I have baking soda. And then I pour the baking soda in my bottle. Okay. Oh, and then I have some red food coloring. Put some red food coloring in there. Okay. Got it. And then I have vinegar. And we're going to pour it in the bottle. You ready to see what happens? Ready? Here we go. Whoa! Did you see that? My volcano! Whoa! Is that cool? Ooh, see it again? Ooh. Wasn't that awesome? That's my volcano. You can make a volcano at home with baking soda and vinegar. And then if you want color to it, you just use food coloring. All right. Bye.